Hari Om. Om Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Today is May 1st. May 1st is celebrated throughout as Principal's Day. This was initiated by an American teacher, Janet Delaria, who then decided to dedicate a day to celebrate these educational leaders of school and spread awareness of the importance of their role. A principal is someone who is the leader of an entire community within a school. He or she is responsible for managing the major administrative tasks and supervising all students and teachers. Principal guide the academic success and set the tone for an entire school. In most settings, they are visible leader, one the students and teachers see daily. These educators assume the commitment to lead our young people to a prosperous future. They support and guide quality teachers and staff, resulting in productive learning environments for our children. Whether they lead an elementary, middle, or high school, a principal shows leadership skills while being approachable. Many students see their principals as role models. Let us take our time to wish our principal, Srimati Sarmistha Kabisatpati, a very happy Principal's Day. Ma'am, please guide us the way you have been doing. A happy Principal's Day to you from all the Chinmay fraternity, all the teachers, staff members, non-staff members, and lovely children. Hari Om. Thank you.
चलो कहती हूँ कुछ अल्फाज में, जो यह सिलसिला हो चला शुरू ही। मैं कहने जा रही हूँ एक इंसान के बारे में जिन्हें कहते हैं लोग गुरु। वैसे देखने में ये आम इंसान है, पर सच मानो तो हमारे लिए भगवान है। इनका कर्ज उतारना ना आसान है, इनके बिना ये ज़िंदगी हमसे अनजान है। इनके सहारे ही हम परिंदे से आसमान में परवाज़ पाते हैं। हमारी कैसी भी मुश्किल हो चले, ये हमारे लिए आवाज़ उठाते हैं। हमारा और इनका रिश्ता बड़ा अजीब सा एहसास है। इनका हमारी ज़िंदगी में होना बस यही हमारे लिए ख़ास है। यूँ तो हमारी ज़िंदगी में मगरूरी बहुत है, किसी के हुस्न में बहकना हमें ज़रूरी बहुत है। कई बार हम खुद को इनकी नज़रों में गिरा देते हैं। संभल जाओ यारो, अभी हमारे ख्यालों में कमज़ोरी बहुत है। बेलोश मोहब्बत के गवाह हो आप। आपके सामने छोटे हैं वो हर अल्फाज। हमारी बस एक ही दुआ है उस रब से, उठे न कभी सर से आपका हाथ, कभी न उठे सर से आपका हाथ। धन्यवाद।
Hari Om, myself Akshit Singh. Today is a very important day and I was waiting eagerly for this day. Today is International Principal's Day and I would like to speak some lines on our principal ma'am. Mrs. Sarmistha Kabisatpati is our principal ma'am. She is a great lady. She is the most respectful person in the school. Every student, teacher and staff respects her and she also respects the students and the teachers and the staff. The success and the failure of our school depends on her. She is a very laborious person. That is why our school Chinmay Vidyalaya is known as a school with a difference. She is a very grand lady. She is not only a good administratress but also a good teacher. She advises students to work hard to make their future bright. And in this pandemic situation, we are also at home, but she has made us send a new guideline through the teachers and by online classes. She is still conducting the programs and the competitions that we are doing today. And she also encourages the students to take part in the programs and competitions, and when winners are selected, she also awards them. She also tell us to perform discipline. She also takes rounds of the school and maintain discipline. So every student tells that Mrs. Sarmishta Kavi Satpathy is a very great lady. So in the behalf of all the students, I, Akshat Singh, would thank you to our principal ma'am, because she is still handling the school in this pandemic situation. So always keep your blessing, ma'am. Thank you.
Hariom, appearing very adamant, considered as Hitler's descendant, with the partiality of Mezicol scant, she is as hardworking as an ant. Many had harsh trysts to owe, some felt blow and ultimately low, but appearances are deceptive, as you know. We should do her rules follow, because she has framed it after noting it out of the window, the scene which foretells what will be tomorrow. Though she appears so tough, but it's only outside to be rough, because inside is so soft to be called a stuff. Her works do immoralities and dirt on our soul's slough. She has aspirations to make us complete balls of fluff. She may have various roles and functions, yet she has only one junction. She wants us to reach high and by our virtues fly by. Obviously, we are not the children from her womb, but her love and zeal makes us feel that we are the bees of the same honeycomb, which verily rests on the tree called Chinmay, the true knowledge, through which she trains her birds to fly full-fledged. Taking the combo of service plus dedication as oars, she has dug out by now 1 billion oars, who now in their field roars, such is the virtue she pours. You entered my life, as does a motto, ma'am. I will be filled with sorrow when I'll have to leave your nest tomorrow. Well, in pensiveness of the forthcoming life, I shall reminiscence the moments which I borrowed. You made me a person out of a huge crowd. For this and everything you did, I shall always be proud. I seek your blessings with my heads bowed.
ସ୍ମରଣ କରିବା ମାତ୍ରକେ ଆପଣ ଶବ୍ଦ ପାଲଟି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନାରେ। ଆତ୍ମା ଭିତରକୁ ପଡ଼ିଥିବା ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଆଲୁଅର ମାଳା ହୋଇ ଝଟକୁଥାନ୍ତି ସତ୍ୟର ସବୁଜ ବନାନୀରେ। ଆପଣ ଆମର ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷା, ଆମେ ସାଧାରଣ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ। ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ଅହର୍ନିଶ ଘାରି ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି ଶିକ୍ଷା ଶିକ୍ଷାର୍ଥୀ ଶିକ୍ଷାୟତନର ବିକାଶ ଦିଗରେ। ଆଉ ଆମେ ଭୋଗୁଥାଉ ଭାଗି ହେଉ ତେଲ ଲୁଣ ସଂସାର ମଧ୍ୟରେ। ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିଛୁ କେତେ କେତେ ମହାମନୀଷୀଙ୍କ ତ୍ୟାଗ ଓ ବୀରତ୍ୱ କାହାଣୀ। ଏବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ଆମ ଆଗେ ଠିଆ କର୍ମନିଷ୍ଠ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ଆପଣ। ସଂସାର ଭିତରେ ଥାଇ ଜୀବନ ଜିଅନ୍ତି ଚିନ୍ମୟ ଆଶ୍ରମର ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସିନୀ ହୋଇ। ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ସାହିତ୍ୟ କଳା ତପ ଓ ସାଧନା ମାଳା ଆବୃତ ସଶରୀର। ପ୍ରଶାସନୀ ରକ୍ତଚକ୍ଷୁ ଥରହର କର୍ମଜୀବୀ ବୃନ୍ଦ। ତା ଭିତରେ ସ୍ନେହ ଓ ସୌହାର୍ଦ୍ଦ୍ୟ ଉଦ୍ଭାସିତ ଉଚ୍ଚାରିତ ଲେଖାଯାଏ ନାଟକୀୟ ସଳାପର ଧାରା। ବେଳେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ରହସ୍ୟମୟୀ। ଆଖି ଯୋଡ଼ି କରି ଦିଶେ ନିରୀହ ନିସ୍ପୃହ ଚାହାଣୀ। ସେ ଆଖିର ଗୋଲାକୃତି ପଟଳ ଭିତରେ ପହଁରୁଥାଏ ଚିନ୍ମୟ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ, ଚିନ୍ମୟ ଚେତନାର ଅଜସ୍ର ଲହରୀ। ଆପଣ ଜଣେ ଯଶସ୍ୱୀ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ ଓ ସ୍ୱନାମଧନ୍ୟା ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷା। ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମାଟିର ଗର୍ବ ଓ ଗୌରବ। ପ୍ରତି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଆମ ମାନସ ପଟରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇ ମାର୍ଗଦର୍ଶିକା ସାଜିଥାନ୍ତି। ବିବେକର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକଟି ଛକରେ ଚାଲିବାକୁ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ସତ୍ୟନିଷ୍ଠା ମାନବିକତାପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କର୍ମମୟ ଜୀବନଯାତ୍ରାରେ। କର୍ମମୟ ଜୀବନଯାତ୍ରାରେ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଆଜିର ଏହି ବିଶେଷ ଦିନଟିରେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ चिन्मय सदस्यों तरफ अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा। चिन्मय संतान मानक नहीं आपणकर ही महान तीर्थयात्रा जारी रहू। प्रभुंक पाखरे एतिकी प्रार्थना। हरिओम।